Hello everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Microsoft Power BI PL3 exam series. This is your host, Apka Consultant, bringing you episode 42. So today's topic is extracting year in Power Query Editor. And those of you who are new to the channel, you can check out the playlist right here and watch all the previous 41 episodes wherein I have covered all the trending topics, questions that are being asked in this exam. So, yeah, that being said, let's jump and see question number 42 in action. So, the question says in Power Query, which of the following M code snippets correctly extracts the year from a date in the order date column and creates a custom column named year? So, here are your four options. You have to identify which is the correct M code of extracting year. Option 1 is table.add column hashtag previous step year comma each date dot year. Second is table dot add column hashtag previous step year comma each year. C is table dot add column hashtag previous step year comma each then order date dot year. And option D is table dot add column previous step year comma date dot year order date. So yeah, these are the four options you can think. I'm gonna pause the video here for 10 seconds and your time starts now. So yeah, time is up. Let's see what is the solution for this question. So it's option A, basically using a date.year function and leveraging the column called order date and extracting the year in mquery language, right? So there are two ways to do it. One, you can directly write the code in advanced editor in power query, and other is you can use the inbuilt function of extracting year from the order date column. We will see this with the help of an example after I covered the explanation bit and the resources used. So now let's look at the overall explanation. Basically, this slide covers about table.add column function, what this does in Power Query M language, and what is the function of each keyword. Basically, it is crucial in M. It indicates that the following expression should be applied to each row in the specified column, and also it ensures that the year is extracted from the order date value in each individual row. So that is first part of the explanation. The next slide, it talks about why other options are incorrect, and you can go through this slide, pause this video here, and boost your understanding on this topic. So yeah, that covers this today's topic. Now look at the resources used. As again, I'm using this course from Udemy for Power BI Data Analyst. Second is the Microsoft Learn article, which we now just see at. Let me go through the article. So yeah, this is an article on date.year function. It talks about the function, what it does, and it returns the component of the provided date time value. Find the year in date time, date.year, hashtag date time 2011 12. So this is the output of this function. It will returns the year, right? And it is an inbuilt function you can use in Power Query Editor. Yep. So yeah, that covers the article. Now let's jump to Power Query Editor. This is my Power BI desktop. Let me go to Power Query Editor, which I've opened. I've already loaded a table called expenditure where I have various columns like object ID, BFI, fund code, record date, check number, etc. So we have this date column called record date. So one way of extracting the year is using the extract feature. It is present in add column. There is date. You can click on year and then click right. What it does, it has extracted the year from record date, right? As you can see, a new column is created where we have all the year values like from 2016, 2017, 18, 19, right? That is one way of doing it. The other way is using the M query. You can go back to home, then transform. Home, we have advanced editor here. You can write the code. The other way is adding the custom column. You can click on add column, go to custom column, name your column as year, use the function date.year, and in bracket just double click on the record date and close the bracket. There are no syntax error, press ok, right? Again, another way of creating the year with the help of custom function. Now if you go back to home and go to advanced editor, this automatically added the mquery language, right, which was the question asked, right? As you can see here, right, table dot add column, and yep, hashtag change type year, each date.year is function is used here, right, as mentioned in the question. Yep, you can see the mquery code. You can write right in here directly if you know how to write the mqueries, right, and press done, right? So this is how we can extract year from a date column using mquery languages and also from custom columns. So yeah, that covers today's topic. Hope you like this content, and make sure you subscribe the channel and watch this space for more videos. Thank you for watching.